Coming up with a YouTube channel idea may be frustrating. Where do you even start? In this video, I'm going to show you how to come up with a YouTube channel idea that people will watch. After this, you will know exactly what you want to talk about in your channel. Before we get started, I humbly request for you guys to subscribe to support the team behind this channel. Also, do not forget to hit the like button and comment with one if you think this is a good video. Finally, if you want to get the best camera and microphone for your channel, then I'll leave links below for the best gadget at a budget. Okay, let's get into the video. This video is going to be in two parts. The first part will be only 3 main types of YouTube channel. The second part will be on the best question to ask yourself to know the content you want to talk about. You are probably where I was 2 months ago when I was thinking to start the YouTube, and I was so confused on what exactly I wanted to talk about. It took me almost 6 months to decide and settle on the idea because I was interested in so many things. I could not just settle on one. It was car, movies, market, gardening, investing, dog, pets, probably psychology, and the list go on. Take your pick. You will need to come up with topic or content you want about. In a broad sense, that will be what you will be talking about. So how do you know what you want to talk about? It can seem quite frustrating and daunting. Well, it's quite simple. First, you should understand what the several YouTube channel types. In this video, we will look into 3 main YouTube channel types. Here we go. 1. Vlog channel. You're probably familiar with these types of channels and you're probably following some of them. In this channel, it's simply you taking us through your day and the challenges or the problems you encounter. In the process, viewers learn something. Example here include Nikki Philly Vlog, Sydney Serena Vlog, and many more vlogs. I've liked how Kelly has grown her channel and how she is real and authentic. She actually categorizes her channel as comedy channel, and she is indeed hilarious in her dispositions. One advantage of having a vlogging channel is it's good for storytelling and it's relational. The cons of having vlogging include it is difficult to do batch content producing. It takes longer to gain influence since the vlog content is not discoverable content, and it can also take longer to make money using vlog channel. The second type of YouTube channel is review channel. Even if you don't know it, you've probably viewed several review channels. Review channels are just as the name suggests. They are channels that are started with the aim of reviewing products, services, or even some online tools or websites. A good example here is MKBHD by Marcus Brown. You have probably heard about this channel. It is my favorite review channel and one of the best, if not the best, on the YouTube. As at the time of producing this video, this channel has garnered more than 15 million subscribers. Some of the pros of having this type of a channel is that it can lead to fast money streams, and they normally contain helpful information. Cons include getting those review items. This can be a bit frustrating, especially if you are a beginner. The third category type of YouTube channel is going to be educational channel. This channel focuses on educating people on different things, almost anything that somebody might want to know, like doing makeup, fishing, vacating, etc. This is my favorite type of a channel. Pros here include you can go full-time faster. You have potential to grow multiple streams of income. You can batch content while producing. Also, you remember you are creating content that solves problems, which is a good thing. So now that we understand the 3 types of YouTube channel you can create, how do you come up with an idea for your channel? Some of the best performing channels are based on the problems that the common man or woman on YouTube is facing on a daily basis. People have problems, whether big, small. We all do have problems. Needless to say, we are all constantly searching for solutions to to these problems, be it money-related problems, relationship problems, psychological problems. We are always seeking solutions or how to solve these problems. Problems are everywhere, and there is no one man or woman who has all solutions. The fact is, there's something that you know that nobody else knows it the way you know it, or anybody can explain it the way you do explain it. Or maybe you have some special type of skill in gardening, landscaping, designing, marketing, sales, cocktails, video games, painting, doing makeup, just to mention a few. Whatever information you have, somebody somewhere needs it. So why not package that info into a video and share it on YouTube? Before I started my YouTube channel, I was particularly bothered by one main question, and you may probably be having the same worry. I used to ask myself, am I qualified enough to talk about the thing I wanted to talk about? This question lingered in my mind for quite some time before I took the bold step to start my YouTube channel. Well, I want you to understand this. You do not have to be a professor to teach something. So long as you have some little information, somebody needs that information. Remember, you're always one step ahead of somebody somewhere in almost everything. Maybe you've just learned on the best paints to use or the best pencil to start with in hand drawing. This is great information that someone who is starting painting and drawing today needs to know. So do not be afraid. Just go ahead and start. In short, to get content and what to talk about, try these formulas. Method number 1, ask yourself this question. What problem is your friend facing? Is he struggling with some type of addiction? Does he have relationship problem or money problems? If your friend is having, for example, a problem with procrastination and being productive, then be rest assured that many other people are having that problem. Your task, therefore, is to start looking for solution online and start sharing this solution through a video. The second method to get content for your channel is try to figure out things you like and enjoy doing and marry that with the problem that people have. One way to know what you like to do and enjoy is to ask yourself this critical question. What is it that keeps occupying your mind? What do you find yourself talking about all the time? Think about that one thing that keeps occupying your mind, or what about? Do you find yourself always talking about dogs and different types of dogs and how other dogs are better than others and etc.? Then voila, you got content to share. If the first two methods don't work, then let's try the third method. Ask yourself this question. What annoys you in your day-to-day life? What annoys you in people? We interact with several people in our daily lives, be it at work, be it at school, at grocery store, or at banking hall, whatever place. And sometimes we encounter things or people that annoy us. For example, can be some type of personality or behavior you see on front of an office lady every morning when you check into the office. Talking about something that makes you angry is a great way to see that thing in a different light and even help people change for better. This is one way you are certain that you will talk with a lot of passion and emotion. The fourth method you can use to get content is to ask yourself this other question. What wakes you up in the middle of the night with cold sweats? There are those things that just keeps you awake on Friday nights and wakes you panting. That will be a great thing to talk about and share on YouTube. Is it your boss? Maybe your relationship, or even your family. The opposite is also true. What is that one thing that makes you happy, that you're always looking forward to? Is it your weekly dancing class, your workout session, or your weekly meetup with your friends or some group? Then how about you start teaching or share information on dancing, information on workout, or how to socialize on YouTube? I hope you get the point. The fifth and the final method is asking yourself yet another question. What do your friends say about you? This is a great way to know what you want to talk about. Do your friends keep telling you how you can make a great leader, or how you can make a supportive mom or dad, or how you seem to like math and coding and computer stuff, then that is probably a good thing to talk about. Remember, nothing is cast on stone, and posting on YouTube is an art rather than science. That is to mean you can always change what you talk about in the future if your interest changes. For example, you started your channel talking about makeup, but then you realize you actually enjoy talking about interior design. Then there's no harm in changing from makeup beat videos to your new interest, which is interior design videos. Switch or pivot and talk about what you think matters more to you and your viewers. Keep in mind, whatever you want to talk about, you must try as much as possible to marry it with the problems that people are searching online. Congratulations, now you know in a broad term what you want to talk about. And there you have it. I bet you can now settle on YouTube channel idea. Do not overthink it, just get started. If you get stuck, you can always pivot. This brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and support the team behind this channel who are working tirelessly to give you content. I created another video on a small hack or tip that will really help you to get subscriber. Make sure to watch this next video and you will love this little trick. It is my hope that you're enjoying this content, and if you are, simply hit the subscribe button, please, and share with your friends, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Again, thank you.